Welcome to the mining news on Commodity TV with Fiore Gold, Karora Resources, Ridgeline Minerals and Adventus Mining. Fiore Gold signed a letter of intent with Clover Nevada to acquire a 100% interest in the former producing Illipah Gold Project located in White Pine County in Nevada, just 36 kilometers northeast of Fiore Gold Rock Project at the southern end of the prolific Carlin Trend. This gold project is approximately 1,600 hectares in size and hosts a former heap leach gold mine that produced 37,000 ounces of gold in the late 1980s at an average grade of 1.37 grams gold per ton and a heap leach recovery of over 80%. The geological data set for the project is extensive and includes 562 holes drilled primarily by reverse circulation, 2,415 soil samples, 491 rock samples and detailed surface mapping. Illipah would be an excellent addition to Fiore Gold, and it's close to Fiore's existing operations and is geologically very similar. The geologists are hot on the area, using their wealth of experience to date to prioritize targets for an initial exploration phase. Costs are manageable with $200,000 in cash and 1.3 million Fiore Gold shares for payment. Fiore Gold is growing the company organically and through acquisitions as announced. We like it. Karora Resources announced a partnership with the Net Zero company to become one of the world's first net zero emission gold mining companies. The intention is to work with the Net Zero company to ensure that its approach to setting and achieving GHG reduction targets is consistent with best practices based on available science to achieve the aspirations of the Paris Climate Agreement. Karora focuses first on reducing Scope 1 and Scope 2 emissions, followed by reducing Scope 3 emissions to work towards the goal of achieving true net zero status. Progress on the GHG reduction program will be included in Karora's first ESG report, expected in early 2022. The emissions reductions will also lead to cost savings as they modernize the fleet and rely on solar power. Karora is one of our top favorites, definitely. Ridgeline Minerals reported high-grade silver intercepts in the first 4 of 14 drill holes as part of the company's recently completed 3,445-meter Phase 4 drill program at the Selena Oxide Silver Gold Project in Nevada. The company has also initiated a Phase 1 bottle roll metallurgical program to assess the potential viability of a future heap leach processing scenario at the project. The focus of the first 4 holes has been on infill drilling in the area of the 2020 drilled mineralized area with high-grade silver intercepts in holes SE21024 and SE2125, interpreted as structurally constrained ore maker zones of the larger mineralized system. Of particular interest to the company is the identification of elevated levels of lead and zinc in the mineralization associated with higher-grade silver in both holes. There are 10 more drill holes reported, or will be reported. Highlights were SE21024 with 10.7 meters at 194 grams silver, 0.3 grams gold, 2% lead and 1.7% zinc per ton, starting at 191 meters true vertical depths. A second hole returned over 44 meters with 123 grams silver, 0.17 grams gold, 1.5% lead and 0.6% zinc. Initial infill results at Selena, which returned the best intersections drilled to date, confirmed the potential for high-grade silver. The elevated lead and zinc values in the mineralization in several drill holes shows that a large mineralization system is hosted at Selena. Well done, guys. Good drill news again from Adventus Mining. The latest infill drill results from Domo were again clearly convincing. A highlight was Curie 385, which intersected over 9 meters of 3.25% copper, 19 grams gold, 30% zinc, 242 grams silver and 3.19% lead for a total of 26.78% copper equivalent. A second hole intersected almost 31 meters with over 2% copper, almost a gram gold, 0.16% zinc, over 9 grams of silver, and also lead for 2.74% copper equivalent. All results from the completed infill definition drilling program will be used to update the mineral resource estimate for Domo in 2021. The updated mineral resource estimate will form part of the ongoing feasibility study for the Domo development. With the announcement of the feasibility study, the share price is also expected to gain significant momentum. Please note our disclaimer now appearing. Thanks for watching us, and bye-bye from Switzerland.